you're always going to have a couple questions when it comes down to Live Good, okay? Well, the first question will be like, well, should I join? But the second question is almost a two-parter. Should I join Live Good? But then do I join where I focus on the membership side, where I just tell people how cool the company is, where I can earn money as an affiliate? Or should I talk about the products? All right, do you remember in Animal House, there's like a good little devil or a good angel and a little devil, and they're kind of fighting towards each other. What's the best decision? In this case, I think that you should focus on both, okay? Now, if you're more comfortable talking about products in the beginning, yeah, go ahead. Our products are amazing. They're wholesale, okay? They're the highest quality ingredients out. What's funny is they're the most expensive. Our ingredients with all of our products, they're usually the most expensive, but we're cheaper by 30, 50, 70% because we're a wholesale company for $10 a month. Okay, so that's why when it comes to products, and if you want to invite people to your Live Good business and have them look at the products, if they are like this guy back, in the day, about 2 years ago, I got just addicted, not in a bad way, to the Live Good products. I wasn't an affiliate. I was just buying the products like going to Walmart.com or Amazon.com. Then I figured out that if I spent $10 a month to be a member, that I could save about $30 to $40. So be a member for $10 a month to save about $30. But then I started buying more products each month. So I started saving like $30 to $40 to $50 by spending only $10. Okay, so that's what a membership was. $9.95 a month. And then I had a friend, he's really successful. He's made millions of dollars, actually. He got a hold of me and he said, hey, have you heard of this Live Good thing? And I'm like, yeah, I love the products. He's like, no, as an affiliate. And I'm like, ew, I don't want to be one of those guys. Ugh. Is it the ick? Is that the new phrase that all the kids are saying? Yeah, I didn't want to be an affiliate or a salesman or a salesperson. I just want to use the products, maybe lose a couple pounds, take the protein, try to get this 220-pound body of mine rocking and rolling for summer. But I became really a big fan of Live Good products. But then when I spent the $40 just to be an affiliate, knowing that I didn't have to buy product to earn commissions, like every single company out there that is like MLM based, network based, affiliate based, there's a Matrix, there's a Kotex. I don't even know what the hell it is. It ends with an X. But I'm like, I'm not buying products to qualify to earn a bonus. Because usually you buy $200 of products to get a $200 bonus. The company makes billions and I don't. Okay? I would rather, in my case, enjoy the products for wholesale. And if they make a difference and they make me feel good, great. Okay? But I could not turn my head on the $40 for life. And I just thought, if I can do a video like I'm doing now, maybe I can just post on social media now and then. Wonder if I have people earning me $50 to $100 a month. Because that's what I want to spend on Live Good products, which you can kind of see on my little fridge in back of me. Okay? And my ideal amount of products to buy each month is about 100. Because I love protein powder, vanilla, chocolate. I love some of our energy-based products and stuff. But at the end of the day, right around $100, that's awesome. So that was my goal. I want to make $100 a month so I can spend 100. That way it's free products. Knowing that they're the best too, which is kind of cool. And they just come to my door. Okay? Boom, that was my goal. Well, all of a sudden I started doing video like this, sending some emails out, screwing off on social media, not even taking it serious. And all of a sudden I had 50 people join me. Then 100. Then 150. Then 200. 250. 300. 350. Now I have over 400 people that have joined me and counting. By the end of summer, I'll probably have over 500 people in my group. And this is year number 2 for Live Good. 2 years and 2 months to be exact. And right now, about 50 to 60,000 people worldwide are signing up. All over the world. China, Kazakhstan, China, of course, down under in Australia, over to Africa, and above me in Canada, down below in Mexico, and of course, America. But boy, what a success story. I got to hand it to the 4 founders and owners of Live Good. They sure made me get off my butt and realize that you can earn money, a substantial amount, if you want to make it fun and post every day. I don't know if that's the trick, if that's the secret, what's the gossip, but I think the more you post, make your post kind of fun and simple, and just invite people to click something to watch something. That's it. Done. Cory, what's the secret? Well, I just say go to joincory.com and then people just click it. They watch a video and they say yes or no. If they're on the fence, they just get a nice Live Good video for 30 days, one a day, if they want, and they can opt out. Or if you want to join, just open up the Live Good video, or I'm sorry, the Live Good email, and then you can, get your username, password. If you want to buy products, great. Configure your bank or however you want to get paid every Thursday. Okay, but most people, they go to the website and they just look at our products. Okay, there's some shirts and hats. There's a little thing you can mix your drinks with, the frother for $5, a little shaker bottle for protein powder. All right, then you look at the packages we have and you look at each individual product. We just had 5 products, or I think it's 4, but we just had the CBN Sleep Gummies debut. And these products here to make your skin radiant and youthful. But look at how many products we have now. All wholesale based. By far the best ingredients, I have no doubt. And we're by far the cheapest by 30 to 70%. Okay, that's one reason I'm not embarrassed to talk about our products. I buy them anyway. Even if I wasn't an affiliate, I'm still buying these products. Okay? Especially at my age. I'm almost 60. I weigh 220. All right? I'm healthy. I feel great. I run. I mess off. I ride bikes. I produce car shows. I rock and roll all night and party every day, especially in the summer. I don't want to lose any of the energy or the speed of walking up and down stairs any sooner than Mother Nature, my DNA, or who knows is going to decide. But God, Live Good is so cool. It's so easy. Look at it. Go to the FAQ too, please. Go to the FAQ. There's a lot of questions there. See those? Just click any one of them right there on your screen and they're answered. And then if you want to know the pay plan, go to the pay plan link. It says affiliate pay plan. That's a tongue twister. Go to the affiliate pay plan or just pay plan link. Okay, and I'll show you. See on my screen, the word affiliate disappears. I think it's because this little black bar, it's not big enough to put the word affiliate. But on my cell phone, I noticed that my screen has more room. But just hit this pay plan link or affiliate pay plan. And you can read about the 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. But scroll to the bottom and please just watch this video. People want to watch videos. They hate reading. They don't want to ask questions about crap. You just want to watch a really well-produced video from Live Good, which this is. You can tell it's a YouTube video because of the little arrow there. And that's it. Okay, so there's the comp plan. There's a lot of questions that are asked with the FAQ. And then, of course, we have a tab that's called Products. And that's it. And when you're joined and all configured up, you're going to have a whole bunch of ways to invite people to click and study Live Good, the products. Do you want to look into being an affiliate? I choose the link that you're going to see when you click joincory.com. That's how I've signed up 400 people. Okay, I want you to do the same thing. I want you to copy me. Keep it fun, keep it simple, okay? And I know you can do this. That's why I put a lot of time and energy into my video. All right, I love to do video all day if I can. So, all right, guys, I'll end it right now. Okay, please just look at your screen. Go ahead and click that link or just, type it in. And that's it. And if you're on my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. All right, peace and love. And if you join, you're going to get a nice little email from me discussing everything I do in detail. Okay, I just put it all on the table for free. I don't hide nothing when it comes down to what I do to get 400 and something people just personally enrolled, because I want you to do the same, because if you make money, guess what? So do I. And if I make money with our spillover, you can earn money too, okay? So let's get it going. All right, guys, thanks again for your time. All right, and I hope you dig it. Joincory.com. Click that right now. Take care, guys. We'll see you next video. Bye.